Hi, and welcome to Introsoft Solutions video tutorial. My name is Nicholas Lee. In the previous video, I've covered 3 navigation patterns in Crosslight: push navigation, modal navigation, as well as list navigation. This is the second part of the video. In this video, I will cover 2 more types of screen navigation in Crosslight, which are tab navigation and the navigation drawer. The tab navigation pattern allows you to specify navigation in the form of tabs. You can quickly create tab navigation using the Crosslight project wizard. In iOS, there are no differences between the iPhone and the iPad view. Same goes to Android. There are no differences between the phone version and the tablet version. Currently, only Windows Phone platform has 2 variants of the tab navigation, which is the panorama and the pivot navigation. The only difference between them are how the screen transitions from one page to another. This is the panorama view, and this is the pivot view. As for Windows 8, currently we have the view resembling the pivot view that of Windows phones. We are planning to add more templates such as the view pager for Android, as well as the hub style for Windows 8. At the view model, we extend the multi-page view model base, then specify the list of navigation items that we want to add to our tabs. This will immediately reflect it to the page by consuming the view model on each platform. It's that simple. With mobile apps growing in complexity, mobile app developers begin to wonder how we can add more menus to the app, but with shallow learning curve that will aid users in providing extended navigation while keeping the user experience pleasant when using the app. Comes the navigation drawer, originally custom implemented in Facebook app, if I recall correctly. More mobile apps are drawing increasingly closer in incorporating the navigation drawer in their apps. We realize this is a very common navigation pattern that most developers will want to use in their app. So, we have created a support in using the navigation drawer for Android and iOS apps, because we see that the navigation drawer pattern is only available to Android and iOS apps. I'll explain what are the differences between them and what are the features of the navigation drawer in each platform. The navigation drawer allows you to specify 3 view models to use in one screen at once. By subclassing the drawer view model base, you can specify the left view model, center view model, as well as the right view model to use. Also, we can open the navigation drawer when we navigate to the view model by calling this.open. Don't forget to set this drawer view model as the root view model in the app service located under the infrastructure folder inside the shared core project. When the navigation drawer is open, it slides the entire view either to the left or to the right. Commonly, apps will want to use a UI table view controller on the left side of the drawer, but you can also specify a custom view for either side of the drawer. When the drawer is open, touch events on the main view will not propagate, thus closing the navigation. You can also open the drawer by sliding the left edge of the screen or the right edge of the screen, or by specifying a UI bar button that binds to the command on the view model that will open the navigation drawer. You can also use a drawer settings on the UI drawer navigation controller that will adjust the behavior of the navigation drawer. You can customize settings such as the background image, status bar color, background blur effect, which is commonly seen in iOS 7 apps, drawer width, flick velocity, shadow color, shadow offset, radius, and much more. So, you, as developers, will only need to focus on what's important to your app, while we take care of the tedious stuff for you. Used to be a custom implementation. Now, the navigation drawer in Android is fully supported by the Android Developers Library. The difference between the navigation drawer in iOS and Android is that the Android navigation drawer acts like an overlay instead of shifting the view. Since we consume the same view model from the PCL, we can then create a drawer activity to consume the drawer view model. Same with iOS, we can define customization to the Android navigation drawer by using the drawer settings. You can customize the action bar drawer icon, drawer background, background color, drawer shadow, drawer width, etc. You can specify a fragment or a list fragment to consume the left and the right view model that will be placed inside the navigation drawer. The navigation done from either side of the drawer will always reflect to the center view model. When you should use the navigation drawer, the Android developers documentation outlines this in detail. You have seen how you can easily integrate the navigation drawer in your app using Crosslight. I'll just do a quick recap on what you have to do to integrate the navigation drawer. Just define a drawer view model in the shared PCL project. Set it as the root view model in the app service. In the drawer view model, you can define the left, the center, and the right view model. Then consume the drawer view model on each platform. On iOS, you would do this using the UI drawer navigation controller, whereas on Android, you would do this using the drawer activity. You have seen how Crosslight has taken care of most of the navigation scenarios used in mobile applications. This concludes the screen navigation in Crosslight applications. In the next video, I will show you how to create your own custom services in Crosslight. If you need more information, drop us a mail at technical@intersoftpt.com. You can find discussions related to Crosslight and Mobile Studio in our forums at intersoftpt.com/community/crosslight. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.